So, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Mahon Falls and I've got a few things that I want to do while I'm here. The main one is I'd like to make an audio recording here because I've been to Mahon Falls quite a few times. I was thinking recently I've been enjoying listening to my audio recordings. I thought I don't have one of Mahon Falls. So today's the day. It's actually nice and early, the sun is rising behind me. I've got a variety of lenses with me, so if the light hits it nicely, you might even get a nice shot. The other thing while I'm here is the wildlife around here is, yeah, it's nothing crazy, but I was here a few weeks ago and I heard the ravens. They're doing some good calls and getting quite close, so I'd like to try and get some audio and footage of the ravens and whatever else I can see here. Well, the lighting is absolutely stunning. What a wonderful place to be. Like, it is superb. I've just set up the audio recorder on the path over to the right of me, and as I was doing it, I just so happened to look back and see this kestrel. Absolutely stunning. It's a shame I hadn't seen it sooner, but I did get some footage, so I'm happy enough with that. I've noticed some robins over here. They've just been on the rocks. So I've literally just stepped 5 metres off the path, and I'm just going to stand here for a bit while the audio recording's going on, and hopefully one might come and land on one of these rocks. If it would, it'd be nice with the light and the texture and everything. It'd make a nice shot, so it's probably a low chance of it happening, but I don't want to be ruining my audio with my own noise, so may as well be here. Yeah, so just give it a bit of time and then we'll go closer to Mahon Falls and get another recording. Well, it's an absolutely beautiful morning. The scenery is changing quite a lot with the light. It's gorgeous, absolutely fantastic. It's actually lovely light over there. It's one of those, it's stunning. Like, the clouds are rolling through, there's a bit of soft light on the hillside. I'd nearly take a shot, but I'm not sure is it worth it. Sometimes you get scenes which they look great, but they just don't translate to a photograph. It's very nice, but I'm not going to take the shot. But I was getting the audio recordings there, and yeah, some good sound out of the Ravens. Nice bit of noise as well from some Kestrels. Saw 3 of them, absolutely fantastic. I'm hoping that the microphones are okay. It is quite windy here, so I think that might be an issue. You'll be able to hear on some of the recordings, you'll hear the wind, and it creates a weird distortion to the audio, so hopefully that's not been too much of an issue. Yeah, that was a nice distant recording. You see how far I am. I'm going to go closer now and get some more intense waterfall sounds. Here at Mahon Falls, I must say I'm quite impressed the amount of wildlife I've seen coming here. Like, only normal things, but a lot of rabbits and a lot of robins, which are all singing quite nicely, which is good. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a shot. I'm going to go down to here and use this water as a foreground, and I'll lead you up Mahon Falls, and then I'll set up the audio recorder just down here somewhere. So again, it won't be picking me up. Hopefully it won't be too windy down there. So I'll get my audio and we'll get a shot that will be half decent. So yeah, see a few wagtails as well, look like pied wagtails. So yeah, we'll get down there and see how it looks. So I think this is as good a place as any to put the audio recorder. So I'm gonna pop it right here. That shouldn't be in my shot then as well. So we'll get set, and then you get to hear some loud water. It's not going to be anything incredible, but I just don't have a recording of it, so that's why we're here. So the shot I've got lined up, it's not terrible, but it's not great. And there's a few reasons that I would say that it's not great. The main one being, it is far too bright now. The light is much too harsh. So for that reason, it's not ideal. There's also not much going on in the sky. There's a little bit of cloud, which is kind of breaking it up a bit. So it's not just clear blue skies, but it's just not the best, it's not the best. What I will try is my sneaky little polarizer, I have it with me. So I'm gonna pop that on and see if that can do anything to salvage this image. We are literally polishing a turd here. Who knows, I might get home and it might look great, so we'll see. Oh, that's it. Bit of audio of Mahon Falls there and a few images. I don't expect the images will be anything spectacular, but it's still nice to get an image since I'm here. You also see the difference between a couple of shots where I have a polarizer on and where I have it off. The giveaway is the water. If you look at the water and you see the glare, I probably don't have the polarizer on, and if there's no glare, it's probably polarized. Yeah, not a bad spot at all. It's very nice. To be fair, some of those shots of Mahon Falls, I think if I came back with better light, it could actually be worth taking. So yeah, it's all good. What I'm going to do, I'll take some shots on the way back. It is too bright, but if there's a shot, I'll try and take one. Yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.